Before the world outside makes its demands, the first and most important battle begins within you. It's a quiet war, fought not on a grand stage but in the silent theater of your mind. Every day you fight this battle no one else sees, and winning it, moment by moment, is your greatest, most profound victory. It's the unseen effort that forges the person you are becoming. This is the constant internal negotiation. It's the voice of doubt whispering that you're not ready, pitted against the steady pulse of belief that urges you to try. It's the chilling grip of fear, which magnifies every potential failure, versus the quiet strength of faith in your own resilience. It's the seductive pull of comfort, the easy path of least resistance, against the necessary discomfort of growth, where your true potential lies. These pivotal fights happen in the profound silence of your own being, when no one is there to cheer you on, when no one even knows you're struggling. There are no crowds, no applause, just the echo of your own choices. In these moments of solitude, you might feel isolated, but here's the secret that transforms everything. You are the architect of your inner world. Every single time you choose discipline over the siren call of distraction, you cast a vote for the person you want to be. Every time you choose to breathe and find your calm in the midst of chaos, you reinforce your own foundation. These are not small acts. They are monumental. Each one is a victory, a brick laid in the fortress of your character. You win not in one final glorious moment, but in 1,000 small courageous decisions. Remember, the strongest warriors, the most resilient souls, are not those who never feel fear or doubt. They are the ones who feel it all and choose to act anyway. They fight on the inside first, so they can stand strong on the outside. So today, don't try to win the entire war at once. Just choose one powerful, constructive thought. I am capable. I am calm. I will take the next step. Let that thought be your mantra. Repeat it. Let it be the drumbeat to which you march. With each repetition, you build your inner army, one soldier of thought at a time. This is your power. This is your victory, and it is already yours.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.